What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. If you own a Samsung Galaxy phone and a Galaxy Watch, then here's a very useful feature, a very important tip for you guys, and this is with regard to creating watch faces right from inside the gallery on your Galaxy phone. Let me show you how exactly this works, but before we go ahead, if you're new here on the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button to become a part of Apex community. I post a lot of contents about the Galaxy phones, Android phones, Galaxy watches, and these videos are going to be very useful for you guys, so go ahead, subscribe, and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Now let's dive in. Let me tap on gallery here and open it. Now let's say I want to select a particular image and create a watch face from that and set it on the Galaxy Watch. All we need to do is just tap on the image, tap on this three dot button and tap on set as wallpaper. And here we go, we have got this option set as watch face. Let me tap on this. Now we get four different options. We've got photos, my style, pebbles and photo sticker. Now let me first select photos and let's see how does this work. As you can see, we have got customization options here. We can crop this particular image. We can move it around to fit into the Galaxy Watch face, and then we can further customize it. We can change the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation. Then we have got a tint option as well. We can change the tint. And we have got these options here, and then we can just tap on done to get into this menu. This is where we can change the clock types, clock styles, etc. Let me select the clock type here. We have got these six options. Let me select, okay, let's keep this as it is. Let's select clock font. As you can see, we have got about 6 and 8 fonts available here. And then we have got clock color. We can change the clock color for this particular watch face. I will keep it white. And we have got 5 different complication options here. I can select complication 1, and this corner is where you can set that complication. Let me tap on calculator. Now the calculator shortcut will be created right here on this watch face. Now let's go to complication 2. Here let me select battery. Complication 3. We can select maybe date. Complication 4, we've got reminders. Let me select reminders here. Now I have set 4 different complications. If you want more, you can select another complication. Let me tap on save now. Now this watch face has been created. As you can see, it's a beautiful looking watch face available here. Let me just zoom it in and show you guys. You can see here, this is a beautiful looking Eiffel Tower right here on this watch face. And we have got 4 different complications. We got time and date information. Let me tap on calculator. You see calculator opens up here. I can tap on calendar to open the calendar. We have got reminder. And we also have got the battery information right here. So I have set 4 complications on this beautiful looking watch face. This is how we can select the image to create or set a watch face here. Now let's move to the second option that we have. Let me just go back. Now this can be set from the gallery, or we can also do this on the wearable application itself. That is also possible. Now let me just go back here. Let me go back to the gallery again. Let me pick another image here. Let me pick this one here. Now I'll tap on three dot button and set as wallpaper and select the option here, set as watch face. Now let me select the second option here, my style. Now what this does is, based on the image that you have selected, it will give you all these options here. You see it says drag or resize the image about to choose colors for your watch face. Let me just drag this around here. Now with these colors, it is giving me these options. Let me select this particular option here. I'll tap on done, and this is going to be the watch face. Now you can select a few other options. It says tap the camera or gallery option below to make pattern from your own pictures. Let me tap on got it. Now I will be able to select a few more options from here, or I can leave it as it is. Let me tap clock style. Again, we can select the clock here. And let me tap on clock color. I will select maybe white. Okay, let's leave it as it is. Then we have got all these complication options. We can set any complication that we want. Just tap on save. You will be able to see this beautiful watch face right here on your watch. You see, we've got this watch face again. It actually looks really beautiful. You will be able to create these patterns depending on the colors or the colors available on the wallpapers that you have selected. So that's another option. Now let's go back. Let's go to the gallery again. Now let me select this particular image. I will tap on three dot button, tap on set as wallpaper, set as watch face. Now let's tap on pebbles. Now here it has selected this particular image. We can further customize it. I will tap on done. It says display selected images randomly in piles of pebbles. Now you see this is the pebble watch face, and we can add more images on this pebble watch face, which will display those selected images randomly in piles of pebbles. Let me tap on got it. Let me add a few more images here. Let's go to gallery. I will select a few more images here. Let me tap on done. Yeah, here we go. We've got all the 4 images that I selected. You see all these 4 images are there. We can further crop it or customize it. Now let's tap on done. Now this is the Pebbles watch face on which we are going to see all these wallpapers which will keep shuffling. Now if you want to add more pictures, you can add. We can select albums or story depending on what you want. You can select that and then you can customize clock type, clock font, complication 2, etc. and then tap on save. Here we go. We have got these pebbles which is falling from the top, and you can see different images on these pebbles on this watch face. Every 2 or 3 seconds you will be able to see those images which you have selected on these pebbles here. Now this is another option that we have got. Now let's move to the last option. Let's go to gallery again. I will select maybe some other image here. Let me select this one here. I'll tap on 3-dot button, set as wallpaper, set as watch face. Now here let's select photo sticker. Let's see what happens here. Okay, this is kind of a sticker that it is selected. Now I will tap on done. Here you go. This is the photo sticker watch face that we have. We will be able to select any image on this particular photo sticker, and we can also change the layout here if you want. You see we have got different options, different layout options here. You can select any layout that you want. This is my favorite layout actually. So let's select this layout. And this is the, okay, we'll have to select the photo again. Let me tap on gallery and select some other photo. Let me select an image here. I will maybe select this one here just for the purpose of this video. I will tap on done. Then we can further customize the complication colors. You can see we can customize all this. And then we will be able to select the complications and tap on save. Here you go. We've got another beautiful watch face right here, which looks beautiful. This is how we customize the Galaxy watch faces, and this should work on the latest Galaxy Watch 7 series, the previous generations Watch 6, Watch 5 and Watch 4 series, which are all running on Wear OS. And you can do this right from inside the gallery. The moment you download a particular wallpaper, if you like it, you can straight away go ahead and apply it on the home screen on your phone, and then apply the same wallpaper on your watch as well. So you can create these combos on the watch and the phone. That's about it. Let me know what do you think about this feature. Have you been using it? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.